Hey everybody, welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to fulfill your orders on CJ Dropshipping in Shopify. So you can see currently I have CJ Dropshipping opened, and you can easily connect this to Shopify using this application that I just installed. So let me just show you how this looks. And I'm going to be going back to my admin panel, and in the apps you should have CJ Dropshipping. So make sure that it is installed, and once you open it, it is going to be looking something like this. So once you are onto the site, you can see you have this option to fulfill your store order. You need to click onto that and just enter in here your details regarding your store. All of your orders are going to be listed in here, and you can easily fulfill them. You have all the options, filters, and different dates added in here. So this is pretty simple to manage. So I hope this helps, guys, and make sure to subscribe, and see you in the next video.